Getting rich from a job requires a combination of strategic planning, hard work, and smart financial decisions. While there is no guaranteed formula, here are some steps you can take to increase your chances of building wealth through your job. 1. Choose a lucrative career. Opt for a career path that offers high earning potential. Research industries and professions that are known for providing substantial salaries or opportunities for advancement. Consider fields such as finance, technology, medicine, law, or entrepreneurship. 2. Set clear goals. Define your financial goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. Determine how much money you want to accumulate, the time frame for achieving it, and the necessary steps to reach your targets. Having a clear plan can help you stay focused and motivated. 3. Invest in education and skills. Continuously invest in your education and develop valuable skills. Acquire advanced degrees, certifications, or specialized training that can enhance your expertise and make you more valuable in the job market. The more knowledgeable and skilled you are, the greater your earning potential. 4. Pursue growth opportunities. Seek out opportunities for growth and advancement within your current job or company. Take on challenging assignments, exceed expectations, and demonstrate your value to the organization. This can lead to promotions, salary increases, and bonuses. 5. Network and build relationships. Networking is crucial for career advancement and wealth building. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and connect with influential individuals in your field. Building a strong professional network can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and mentorship. 6. Negotiate your salary. When starting a new job or during performance reviews, negotiate your salary effectively. Research salary ranges for your position, highlight your accomplishments, and articulate your value to the organization. Negotiating a higher salary can have a significant impact on your long-term wealth accumulation. 7. Live below your means. It's essential to manage your personal finances wisely. Develop a budget, track your expenses, and live below your means. Save a portion of your income regularly and invest it wisely to grow your wealth over time. Avoid unnecessary debt and prioritize long-term financial stability over short-term indulgences. 8. Diversify your income. Consider additional ways to generate income outside of your primary job. This can involve starting a side business, investing in stocks, real estate, or other ventures. Diversifying your income streams can provide financial security and accelerate wealth accumulation. 9. Continuously learn and adapt. Stay updated on industry trends, technological advancements, and market changes. Embrace lifelong learning and be willing to adapt to new opportunities and challenges. The ability to evolve with the changing times can help you stay ahead and seize lucrative opportunities. 10. Seek professional advice. Consult with financial advisors, accountants, or investment professionals who can provide guidance tailored to your specific financial goals. They can help you make informed decisions, optimize your investment strategies, and manage your wealth effectively. Remember that building wealth takes time and effort. It's important to stay focused, disciplined, and patient throughout the journey. Thanks for watching.